Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will see what happens to the litmus paper when we dip a red litmus or blue litmus in a solution which may be acidic or basic. We will see what happens. So you should know what is the color of red litmus and blue litmus in the first point. This is the color of blue litmus. It is blue in color, which is light blue. It may be light blue and sometimes it is dark blue. And this is the color of red litmus. You can observe the color. So we will see what happens to the color of the litmus paper when dipped in acid or when dipped in base. So let us perform the experiment, that is activity 2.9. What happened to the litmus paper when we take NaCl and H2SO4 in a solution? Okay. So for that, first we will take NaCl. NaCl in the solid form, it will be in the solid form. Let us take NaCl. Taking the spatula, take a small quantity of NaCl. To this, add sulfuric acid, that is concentrated sulfuric acid. To this test tube, we will add concentrated sulfuric acid and see what happens to the reaction. Let me take the test tube holder. This is the test tube holder, students, by which we will hold the test tube. While using the concentrated solutions, always hold the test tube with the test tube holder. In this way we should handle. Now taking H2SO4 solution. This is the solution of H2SO4. By using dropper, let us add some quantity of H2SO4 to the beaker containing HCl. Let us observe what happens. You can just slowly observe the fumes coming out. Let me add some more quantity of H2SO4. Now let us hold the blue litmus on the top of the test tube. Let us see the change in color. You can observe the blue litmus paper has changed its color to red litmus. You can observe, I think you can observe the color. Due to the evolution or due to the presence of the acid in the S tube, blue litmus turns to red litmus. Red litmus paper indicates the presence of acid. I hope you are clear with the experiment which I have performed. This is how the color changes, and this is a proof that there is a presence of acid and liberation of acid. Thank you for watching, students. What is exothermic reaction and what is endothermic reaction? Exo is nothing but heat is liberated or heat is evolved. That is similarly, endo is nothing but heat is absorbed. Which absorbs the heat is nothing but endo, which liberates the heat is nothing but exothermic. We will perform an experiment and see whether the temperature, that is heat is liberated. If the heat is liberated, then the temperature of the surrounding, it may be a beaker or conical flask, anything it may be, it changes the temperature, that is heat we can sense on the outer surface of the beaker. So we will see, perform an experiment. So let us take a test tube, which is like test tube, and add some water to it. Approximately 10 ml of water to a test tube. Now what we will do, we will add concentrated acid, it may be a sulfuric acid, to the solution, that is water, and absorb the surface of the test tube, whether it is turns to cold or it is turns to hot. This is sulfuric acid which I have taken in a beaker. Always while using or dealing with the concentrated solutions, if you are handling the test tube, always use test tube holder. It protects you. So let me add concentrated H2SO4 solution to the water containing in the test tube. After adding the solution, we will observe the temperature. You can observe the bump. This bump indicates the liberation. Also you can observe the fumes inside the test tube. It is not visible in the mobile, but here the fumes are observed. After touching the test tube, it is hot in nature. This indicates the exothermic reaction, that is heat is liberated. You can perform this in your labs and observe. Heat is liberated. Please touch it gently because it is too hot. This is the exothermic reaction. This was about exothermic reaction. I hope the experiment is clear. Today we will see what is litmus paper test and what are acids and what are bases. So before knowing that, you know the pH scale, which is from 0 to 14. 0 to 7 is nothing but acidic and 7 to 14 is nothing but basic. I hope this is clear. 0 to 3 is strong acid, 3 to 7 is weak acid, and next 7 to 10 is weak base, and above that is stronger base. I hope this is clear. After knowing this about the pH scale, we will see how the red litmus and blue litmus looks. This is blue litmus paper. It is blue in color and it comes with the strips which may be around 20 in a single strip. Similarly, red litmus paper. Red litmus is red in color and blue litmus is blue in color. So we have taken the number of solutions here. Consider these as an unknown solution. We will add drop wise solutions to the pH to check the pH and observe. So let us conduct this experiment now. So students, here is a setup. These are the unknown solutions and this is a litmus paper test. So now let us take a drop from a single test tube and add it to the paper and observe the color. From the test tube A, let us take some quantity of solution and add. Let us check whether it changes to red or blue. So students, it has changed to red, which means that this solution is acidic. Let us check with the next solution now. To check it from the next solution, now we will add. To check from the next solution, now we will add the solution from test tube B to the litmus paper. So this didn't change. This means that it is lightly blue. It is blue in color. This shows the indication of blue color. Means this is basic. Next we will check with the third one. Let us add this solution C. This is also a basic. After some time it will change its color. You can observe it. Next we will see from the fourth test tube. So it has changed its color. It turns to red. This means that it is also a acidic. The solution is acidic. We will see from the test tube fifth one. Let us check. So, and this is also a basic solution. Next we will see about the last test tube, whether it changes to red or blue. So this has changed to red litmus. This indicates that this is also acidic. You can observe the difference in red color in this. This is strong, this is little bit orange, and this is little bit red compared to this one. This indicates that this is a strong acid, this is a little bit weaker acid, this is most weaker acid. So let us see which are the solutions I have prepared. Okay, the test tube 1, which contains the strong acid, is HCl. Next we have NaOH, which is a base which didn't turn its color, and next is oxalic acid, which is not that stronger compared to HCl. Next we have calcium carbonate, which is basic. See, you can observe here it shows blue in color. This is base. And next, barium chloride, it is also a base, which in turn it indicates it is a basic. Next, last we have H2SO4, which is also red in color and which indicates it is an acid. I hope this experiment is clear. Thanks for watching, students. Keep watching A Chemistry.